Okay, let's start this thing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tosado, and in this channel I do all types of videos, from vlogs, beauty, lifestyle, and now mommy videos. And I am so excited for today's video. So for the last video I did similar to this was with the SLMissGlam gold and gray set, which look like these. I have been using these non-stop. I use these to create this look that I have on today. Okay, so I did everything except put highlighter on. I just didn't feel like putting highlighter on today. But yeah, I love this set, and I'm keeping it inside of this because I don't have a brush holder yet, so I'm just gonna keep it there. But anyways, I am so excited. I literally checked my email and did the tracking, and it said that it was gonna arrive today. So I went ahead, took a shower, got ready, and all of this just to make this video without even the box being here yet. And then when I was getting ready and putting on my makeup, the UPS guy, I think it was UPS, I don't know, whoever it was, knocked the door and the box arrived. So SLMissGlam gave me a regular box. She actually emailed me, Stephanie did, and told me that they were ran out of their usual boxes, and let me show you. So in my last video I did show y'all that this is her boxes. They look like this. Ooh. Her regular boxes look like this, and she told me that her facility here in California had ran out of shipping boxes, and I got kind of sad because I was like, yay, I'm gonna have 2 of these. But turns out that she had ran out of them. So I was like, damn, okay. But anyways, she emailed me. She said that they had ran out of them, but that she would like to send me 2 free gifts, 2 free brushes, because they didn't have the box. And I was like, oh my God, yes, hell yeah. I'd rather have 2 extra makeup brushes rather than the box, even though the box is beautiful, don't get me wrong. But I would rather have brushes and, you know, grow my brush collection. So I got so excited, and she sent that. Also, this is my Mother's Day gift from my hubby. I can't speak. And yeah, so he did buy me this for Mother's Day, and I am so thankful. So yeah, and if we got it that weekend, like Mother's Day weekend, she was gonna send us another free gift. So I am so excited to see what's in here. It literally just arrived, so I'm so excited that I don't have to wait. Also, before I open that, I've been wanting to show y'all these. I just got these on the mail a few days ago, and they are blue, like ultraviolet ray glasses. Like, you wear them whenever you are on your computer or watching TV or whatever you are doing. You can see my ring light, but you just kind of wear them, and it protects your eyes from all the UV light and all of the harsh lighting that you're watching. Like, if you watch TV all day, especially now in quarantine and all of that, you're watching too much TV, or you're on your phone all day, or you edit videos for hours and hours like I do, this will help you so much. I got it from this company here, and when you get them, they look like this, and they have like a little tab. You open them like this, and the glasses come in here. And it also comes with a little cleaning set, obviously, for you to clean your glasses, which I need to do. And then this really cool thing, it came with this light that when you shine it like at your eyes, you can see that the light does not bother you. It's freaking cool. And then it also comes with this. This is the blue light test area, so you can see. And then you kind of just hit it. That's how much damage the oh, you can't see it because of the light. Let me turn it down. When you hit it like this, now you can. That's how much damage it does to your eyes. It's freaking crazy, but it gives you that little test area, and and if you go on here, they can give you a second pair. And the cool thing about this is that the handles on the glasses move around, so it can fit any face. Like, as you can see, I can do this, I can put them closer, you know, it can fit any face. So I love them so much. Go ahead, I'm gonna leave the link down below if you want a pair of these. They're very inexpensive, so freaking cool. All right, you guys, let's get started on the unboxing. I love to do unboxing videos. I like to see what I can expect. Like before I buy something, I watch an unboxing to see what I can expect inside and all of this cool stuff. I love it. So if you don't like these type of videos, I'm so sorry, but my next video is going to be a review on these brushes. So I'm so excited. Okay, do not try this at home. I don't have scissors, so I have to use this. See where I live. Okay. Okay, so as soon as you open it, it's very protective, which I am so excited. As you can see, it comes like this. Oh my God. So it does come with the free gift, which I'm guessing it's this one because everyone has been getting this one right here. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Look at this. I saw it on her stories and stuff like that, and people have been getting this one. And then she did send me this one. This is the pink mini brush set. This is the one that I bought. And this is the one that came with this because she gave like a free gift. I don't know why she only sent me one. That's weird because she said she was gonna send me two, but guys, so I just reread the email and turns out that she counted this one as the second one. And I'm guessing she just gave me this one for free because of the box. So that's still a fair game, I would say. So that's fine by me. I just wanted you guys to know that. All right, bye. She did send me 2 thank you cards because I am gonna give one to my sister. So the thank you cards look like this. This is her little twins, amazing. They say thank you, beauty. These brushes were inspired by her little twins, Mia and Sophia. And it says, I wanted to create brushes that were the perfect size for fitting into our purses for the day and that made traveling so much easier for us ladies. These 8 essential cruelty-free brushes are the only ones I need for a full face of makeup in the morning. I hope you enjoy them as much as we have. Love, SLMissGlam and Mia and Sophia. This is super, super cute. So first I'm gonna open these just to test the quality of these, and then we'll open this. I'll save this for last. Ooh, this is like from the Mermaid macaroon collection. That is gorgeous. So freaking soft. That's cute. This is her fan brush number 30. That's cute. Oh my goodness, guys. These are so much better in person. Like, I'm not even lying to you. Look at that. This is for highlighter, and it's great because these that I'm wearing right now don't have a highlighting brush. So I'm gonna try it right now because I'm not wearing any highlighter. I'm gonna take this one that I love. This is the Beam. Whoa, that applied it so pretty. Wow. I've never been a really big fan of fan brushes like this, but this is so pretty. What do y'all think? That's cute. Okay. And then this is just like a regular fluffy big brush, so that's cute. Next, I'm gonna put these back because like I said, I don't have a brush holder, so I just have to put everything back in its packaging so it doesn't get messed up. Okay, next, this is what I've been so excited about. This is so cute. She needs to stop doing this. Like, she needs to stop making such cute brushes because I don't want to use them. Oh shit. Shut Shut up, no way. Look how cute. No freaking way. Right here. I've been seeing these all over Instagram, so to have them here with me, that's crazy. That is so cute. You guys. This is the best Mother's Day gift. This is literally all I wanted for Mother's Day. Wow, this is literally to create a whole face while you're traveling. And this is gonna be so useful, like when I go out on date night and then I need to throw one into my little purse, or when I go traveling to Texas, this is gonna be awesome. So it does have like a flat eyeshadow. It says what it's for here, so that's for eyeshadow. And then this is for the fluffy crease. That is great how she has these. That's so cute. And then this one is a small eyeshadow, so you can either cut your crease with this. This is amazing. It looks like this. Let me show you. You can cut your crease with that. That's so cute. And then this one is a powder brush. Oh, you guys, I'm sorry, I love Morphe, but Morphe could never compare to SLMissGlam brushes. That is amazing. And then a flat powder. She says powder, I say foundation, because I would use this for my foundation. And then what is this? Tapered face brush. So you could use these for your contour or whatever it is. And then this one is angled blusher. Exactly, I would use this for my blush. Like angled, it's perfect for when you want to put it on your blush. And then this one is tapered highlight. Oh, yay, a highlighting brush. That's cute. Okay, so I'm actually gonna take them out of the plastic. I don't know why. I wanna keep everything in their plastic, but you guys, I'm so excited. Well, I wanna thank SLMissGlam for sending me these extra brushes. That's so cute. She's so sweet. She always tries to have great customer service. She always emails me back, or talks to me back. So if I have a question or whatever it is, she will message me back. This is super, super cute, you guys. I am gonna keep them inside of this brush set, and I love how she makes this packaging so cute. She says that she likes to make cute packaging because she likes to put it up for decor. I am the exact same way. I love having cute stuff and putting it up for decor, so you know that this is gonna be up in my vanity or in my room. So this is how they look. The light's kind of bright, but that's cute. And then it has a little handle. That is adorable. Okay, you guys, tell me what you think about the SLMissGlam Beauty. I freaking love it. I think it's so freaking cute. And I'm gonna display this up in my room, and I'm gonna take a lot of pictures with that. I'm gonna use this when I go traveling. When this quarantine stuff is over, I will go traveling to Texas. So I am so excited. So this was actually worth not having the box, but it's fine, you know? I'd rather have these. So thank you guys so much for watching. My next video is going to be a full review on these, and I'm actually gonna include these. So thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, also, I want to tell y'all, I am gonna make an intro video so soon. I feel like my channel really needs that. Every time I watch other channels, and like SLMissGlam or Tanya, you know, or other people have intros, and I'm like, I want an intro of my own. So I'm gonna make one so soon, and yeah, y'all stay ready for that. I will announce it and make like a whole video on the intro and stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait till I try these, and I will be back with another video really soon. Bye guys.